Hi, I'm Sergeant Mike Zins with the Greendale Police Department, and today I'm really excited to show you about how to obtain a free gun lock from a harm reduction vending machine near you. In order to find these and other free supplies to help keep your home more safe, just head to Harm Reduction MKE, where you can find the location of these vending machines and get to the closest one near you. Here we are down in the range where I'll show you how to install the gun lock that you retrieved from the vending machine. Now this is a training firearm, so it's incapable of firing regular bullets. That's why we're going to use it for the demonstration today. The first thing we want to do is make sure that it's unloaded, and we're going to do that by locking the slide to the rear and then visually and physically inspecting it to make sure that there are no bullets inside, which there aren't. Next, we'll take the gun lock out of the package, and this is what it'll look like. Turn the key, remove one of the ends from the lock, and slide it through the action of the firearm, which will render it incapable of operating. Put the end back into the lock, turn it, and remove the key. Now it may go without saying, but keep the key in a separate place from the firearm so no one can gain access to it without your permission. Thanks a lot for learning about how to install a gun lock and how to get one from one of the harm reduction vending machines.